Yes, next question number 1. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter and the distance between them is 15 centimeter. This is the given question. Right? First we have to take and write what is given in the question. First given height, that is distance between them, that is distance between two parallel sides is 15 centimeter. That is the height. So take and write height is equal to 15 centimeter. Height is equal to 15 centimeter. Distance between these two parallel sides. Yes. Next, the parallel sides. These two sides are parallel sides. That is AB, side AB and side DC. Side AB and side DC are parallel sides. Right. AB equal to A equal to 24 centimeter. DC, that side you can take it as B, that is equal to 20 centimeter. Two parallel sides. Right. Let us move on with formula now. What is the formula to find the area of trapezium, Kana? Area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. Right. Now, I am going to do this calculation part alone. I will work out and show to me now here, right? This is equal to, listen here, right? Formula is area of trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. Am I correct? Right. This is equal to, take and write 1 by 2 as it is, into height. What is the difference between two parallel sides? 15 centimeter. 15 into A, parallel side A. One side is 24 plus 20. Yes. This is equal to half into, listen here, half into 15 into, add these two numbers first. 24 plus 20, 44. 24 plus 20, 44. Right? Now, next. This is equal to, simplify this. Simplification. This is equal to half into 15 into, so here we can do the cancellation. How many 2's? 1, 2 is 2. How many 2's will make 44, Kana? 22 2's are 44. 2 2's are 4. Again in 4, 2 2's are 4. Yes? 22 into 2, 44. Now here we have 15 and 22. 15 and 22. 15 into 22. Right? Now, next step. Right. Next step. 1, 2 is 2. 22 2's are 40. Here we have 15 into 22. So, just multiply these two numbers alone here. 15 into 22. 5 2's are 10. Balance 1. Again, 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 2's are 10. Balance 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So, answer is 330. 330. So, what is the area of trapezium? Therefore, area of trapezium is equal to area of trapezium is equal to area of trapezium is equal to 330 square centimeter. That's all. Yes? Am I clear, Kana? Right. Next sum. Listen here. Next sum. The area is given. The area of trapezium is, right here, listen here. The area of trapezium is 1586 square centimeter. The distance between its parallel sides. The distance between its parallel sides is 26 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is 84 centimeter, find the other side. Right? Before start do the sum, we have to take and write what is given in the question. Right? Right. First, given, take and write what is area. Area is given. Area is equal to 1586 square centimeter. Height is 26. Distance between two parallel lines, that is height. Height is equal to 26 centimeter. A, one parallel side. One of the parallel side is given, that is 84 centimeter. Right? We have to find the other side. B is equal to what? That we have to find out. What is the formula, Kana? Area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. Let us move on the sum now here. Right? Listen here. Right. Area is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. Here, substitute the values first here. What is the area given? Area is given now 1586. Instead of area, 1586. Instead of area, you have to take and write this number 1586 square centimeter. Square centimeter, no need to write that square centimeter, just to write this number alone. 1586 is equal to half. Take and write half into height. What is the height of the trapezium? 26 centimeter. 26 into parallel side. Side one side is 84 centimeter. We don't know the value of other side, that is B. That you take and write it as B as it is. Right. Next step, 1586 is equal to half into 26 into 84 plus B. Yes. Now, do the cancellation. 1, 2 is 2. How many 2's will make 26, Kana? 13. 13 2's are 26, isn't it? Right. You can write like this. Then you go take and write this number alone. 1 into 13. 13 into inside the bracket 84 plus B. Inside the bracket 84 plus B. Right? Let's move on the next step. Actually, here we have to find the value of B. Another parallel side, isn't it? So, now what I am going to do now, I will take and come this part to this side, that is left hand side. 84 plus B. That is, listen here, 84 plus B is equal to, already here I have 13 in the numerator, isn't it? I'll take and come this 84 plus B this side. I'll just, this number, I'm going to move this number to right hand side, 1586. So first step you write like this even. You can take and come, just you reorder this left hand side and right hand side. Next we can do the sums now here, right? Now, therefore, we have to find the value of B. That alone we can keep one side. 84 plus B is equal to 1586 divided by, this multiple 13 will come over this side. Now what it will happen? Divide 13. Right? Now we have to do the cancellation. Right? No 13th table, Kana? If you don't know, is it okay? No problem. We can do this division part. 1586 divided by 13. 1586 divided by 13. First, in 15, how many 13s are there? 1 13 is 13. So, subtract 3 minus 5 minus 3, 2, 28. 28, 2 times 2, 13s are 26. Then 8 minus 6, 2. Again 26. 2 13s are 26. Right. So now 1586 divided by 13 is equal to 122. 122. Now, so here 84 plus b is equal to 84 plus b is equal to 122. Therefore, the value of b is equal to 122. This plus 84 will come this side, means what it will happen? Minus 84. Subtract now. That is 122 minus 84. 122 minus 84. Subtract these two numbers. 12 minus 4, 8. 2 will become 1. 11 minus 8, 3. Yes? Right. Now, the value of another parallel side is equal to 38 centimeter. Here no need to put square units. Only for area we have to put square. For other sides and all we can use only units. So, another parallel side, measure of the another parallel side is equal to 38 centimeter. Am I clear, Kana? Right. Let us go with third sum. Next sum, third sum. See, listen here. Third question. The area of a trapezium is 1080 square centimeter if the length of its parallel sides are 55.6 centimeter and 34.4 centimeter. Find the distance between them. Find the distance. That is, here we have to find the value of h. We have to find the value of h. What is given? Given area is equal to 1080 square centimeter. Area is equal to 1080 square centimeter. Length of parallel sides, that is A. Value of A is equal to 56.5 centimeter and value of B is equal to 34.4 centimeter. Here we have to find the value of height, that is h is equal to what, that we have to find out. Right? Right. First we have to write the formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. Shall we move to the sums, Kana? Sum, Kana? Right. Right. First write the formula. That is area is equal to, listen here. Area is equal to half into h into a plus b square units. Yes. What is area? Here area is 1080 square centimeter. 1080 is equal to half into h. We don't know the value of height. What is A? 55.6 plus what is B? 34.4. Right, here I wrote the value of A and B. Right, we have to find the value of H. Yes, right. First, next step, 1080 is equal to half into, we don't know the value of height, that you take and write as it is H. Add these two numbers, 55.6 plus 34.4. That is 55.6 plus 34.4. 6 plus 4, 10. Balance 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Again balance 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 90.0. 90. You can write this as 90. No need to write 0.0. There is no value for 0. Yes? Right. Now, this is equal to, right? Now, 1080 is equal to half into h into 90. So, now we can do the cancellation over here. How many 2's will make 90? 1 2 is 2. 45 2's are 90. then this equation will become 1080 is equal to h into 45. h into 45. h into 45. Here we have to find the value of height. Value of height for that. So just order, change this order. Last sum we did know left hand side is equal to right hand side. This one we can write it as h into 45 is equal to 1080. Therefore, h is equal to 1080. This multiple 45 will come over this side, means divide 45. Yes, here we have to divide 1080 by 45. Then we will get the answer of height. H is equal to, so here divide 1080 divided by 45. How many 45s are there in 108? First you have to find that one. How many 45s? 145 is 45. 2 45s are 90. 3 45s are more than 90 will come, isn't it? So first write 2 45s are 90. That is equal to 8. Subtract it, 8 minus 0, 0. Then what it will happen? Here there is 0, so 1 come over here. So 10, 10 minus 9, 1. So take and write this 0 over here down. Now how many 45s are there in 180? That we have to find out, isn't it? So 2 45s are 90 means 4 45s are 180. 90 into 2, 180. So simple calculation, 4 into 45, 180. So the value of height is equal to what? 24 centimeter. No need to put square. We have to put only centimeter. Am I clear, Kana? Right? Based on these three sums, find the area and then find the one parallel side and next one is find the height. Based on these three sums, I will give you homework. Please go through the video twice or thrice, then you can do your homework sum and send your response. Okay? Right. Thank you.